Pene shorona no riu ungimutigira muthuri waku kwa ndagika cigana na nyumba riganirwo ni kihiko giaku niguo shosho.
Someone's got it right.
Waingira dating apps thura ukoranaga nacio kaingĩ nĩ cia andũ ethe no kũu nĩkuo Hati cũcũ wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 23 akoragwo agĩetha Waigego rĩake thutha wake gũtigana na mwendwa wake na ũrĩa mahikanĩtie mĩaka 25 na thutha wake gũcemania na arũme karũndo arĩa meheaga mĩhang'o thutha wa gũkomania akiuga arĩkaga o ũguo athuri mekaga nginya arĩ ona wake.
Would love to have one man. I was married 25 years and we had wonderful sex. We were in love with each other and we had a family and a dancing school. But when the children went off to college, the entire dynamic changed. But I thought I'll just go out in the world, meet another man, and then have great sex for the rest of my life. What happened was I didn't meet one man. I'd meet somebody, go out with them, sleep with them, and then they were gone. And it happened a lot. And I started to bemoan. I mean, it actually got me depressed. I'm with someone, it feels great, and then they're gone. So I decided I'm going to date like a man, meaning I will date several.
Mwĩgũcemania na nĩakwenda namba nĩ gũcenjania mũgũcenjania mũcoke mũbangĩrĩria mũgũthiĩ gwake mũgekinie na mwakinya atĩ gũtirĩ hĩndĩ mũkaraniria rĩngĩ akeyethera ũngĩ.
Initially, one would think that because of my advanced age that I would be like open, so to speak, to anyone who would be interested in me who was young or handsome. But it doesn't work that way. I have the first dibs on whether or not it's okay for me to be with that man. So I give them my phone number. I don't want to get into that texting catfish relationship. I give them my phone number. We talk. We arrange to meet at a bar. I tell them in advance, I may not be attracted to you, and if I'm not, we'll smile, we'll hug, kiss on the cheek, and I'll say good evening. But if I am turned on by you, we'll go up to my apartment.
Kwĩragwo kĩgwa kĩhimbĩte ũngĩcokera ndũngĩaga ngogoyo ũndũ ũrĩa wĩkĩrĩtwo mũkonde nĩ Hati akiuga anake anini kana athuri anini kũmũkĩra nĩmendete gũkenia andũ akũrũ take.
I have never had a negative experience, and part of the reason is my integrity. I have never had an affair. I've never messed with a married man. I practice safe sex, and I'm kind. So with those qualities in place, it seems to bring out the best in men, and young men want to satisfy an older woman.
Hati ona arĩ mũkũrũ arauga onanaga kĩmwĩrĩ maita matatũ o wiki. Njuge atĩa maũndũ marĩ gũkinya hau nĩ ndaumiria.